Hello guys, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. I'm really glad having you back today. Hope you have a great day. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make baked potatoes. Baked potatoes are easy to prepare, especially when you have some fresh potatoes and they are large like these ones. For this baked potato recipe, I'll be using 4 large potatoes. I'm going to start by poking the potatoes with a fork, just like this. Poking the potatoes enables the potato to cook inside out. Just poke it as many times as you can. Okay, this will enable heat to penetrate into the potato and allow it to cook inside. Okay, another reason why I poke the potato is to prevent it from bursting out as it cooks, because when it absorbs so much heat, it might likely burst. So you poke it to allow the heat to diffuse out. Okay, I'm done poking the potatoes. The next thing I'm going to do is to place the bowl of water here. I'll go ahead and add a teaspoon of salt to the water. Let it dissolve completely in the water. Next, I'm going to place the potato into the salted water. I'm just going to allow it to be immersed in the water. This is the best way to season potatoes because it's hard to season this once it's cooked. I'm going to do the same to the rest of the potatoes. I just went ahead to line this up on a wire rack. So next I'm going to pop this into the oven and bake for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Ten minutes into the baking time, the potatoes will appear dry and a little bit frosty, and I'm going to rub some olive oil all over it. Just make sure the potatoes are nicely coated with the olive oil. So you can turn this over with a tongue. Just be careful not to burn your hands. I'm going to place the potatoes again in the oven and bake for 40 minutes until they are soft inside out. 15 minutes later, I came back to the potato. I'm just going to turn them over so they cook evenly on both sides. Okay, while waiting for the potatoes to get done, let's quickly prepare a filling for the baked potatoes. Into a bowl, I'm going to combine cream cheese here, you can use any type of cheese, it's totally up to you. So I'm just going to use a fork to mash the cheese. To the same bowl, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. So I'm just going to toss this around. I'll add in 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped parsley. Next, I'm going to add in a tablespoon of spring onion and a teaspoon of lemon zest. Once I'm done, I'm just going to stir this to combine, just like this. Next, I'll season this with half a teaspoon of chili pepper, and I will season this with just a little bit of salt. Now I'm going to stir this and make sure it combines very well. Now the filling is ready to be used on our baked potatoes. 40 minutes later, I'm going to take the baked potatoes out of the oven. Okay, so I brought this out of the oven. If you poke this with a fork, it goes in easily. That's to show the potatoes are cooked. And the olive oil also made the skin of the potatoes to be crispy. Okay, if you like a crispy skin, make sure you put some olive oil on the potatoes. Okay, next we are going to let the steam out. To let the steam out, I'm just going to cut this open. So I'm just going to make a slit. Okay, you can see the steam coming out. You can see they are really soft. Next, I'm going to add just a little butter into the potatoes, just like this. Okay, the heat from the potato is going to melt the butter. And I will start stuffing the potatoes with the fillings I prepared earlier on. This is really tasty. This is going to give the potatoes a nice finishing. Okay guys, and this was how to make baked potatoes. If you like it twice baked, you can easily pop it into the oven or microwave it before serving. Your baked potato is ready. This was how to make this at home. It looks yummy and tasty. The cheese mixture gives it a good finishing, so this is ready. You can enjoy this right away. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, please remember to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and you can also share the video with your friends and loved ones. I would love to see you shortly. Bye.